Dave's going through the front end. Left side spindle's junk, it's bent.
The ball joint good?
Lower ball joint looks bent.
We'll find out. I thought when you spun it, it did too. Don't we have a ball joint checker?
Yeah, they said that's the way to check them.
Yeah.
But we do, I was gonna grab it. Top one looks good though. They look square when you don't use it, they're bent, they'll wobble all over the place.
That's these things, right?
Yeah, two of them. Do we got enough, where's our spindles at? Yeah, no, it's good, Doug. Good.
So Dave's going through the front end tonight. Clean the bearings, repack them both left and front, or left and right. The left front spindle was bent. We've changed that. So it's going back together.
That's what I missed. That's what I missed right there.
Hey, how do you shut this off? Lynn set the alarm.
I've never done it that way.
And pull your phone out.
Lynn did this?
Well, Lynn just left, so I'm assuming she set the alarm. Saying auto shop motion alarm.
Yeah. I never done it here. Something about disarm. Where's disarm?
Unknown caller.
Hello. Yeah, we're here. We set it off by accident. I'm trying to figure out how to hit on this new keypad. Yes. Okay, thank you. How can you not see us back there?
Got the World Finals on the big screen. We've taken this off and straightened this. Had some video of Dave taking apart the left front. Camera was acting up, so I don't know if it took or not. I'll find out when I go to edit this video. So earlier tonight, we put some new lights in here. Much brighter. Much, much better. You can actually see the floor in here. So we took the old round ones down that were up there that barely put out any light. We gotta get 4 more. We're gonna put another one there. There's one that goes up in the bunk up there. And then one's going there and one's going there. Getting rid of the fluorescence and going with LEDs. So you can actually see what's going on in here. Does not work? So that's out.
Think that a funnel will go in there?
I don't know.
Don't look like it, does it?
No.
I mean, it'd be better off with that one, that dirty one, clean it.
I don't know if I've showed this with all the LED lights on the front of it, but it glows in the dark at night. We got a headlight out. We're gonna take it out and see if we can get a new one. But this This thing definitely glows going down the road. Putting antifreeze in. Gonna finish up winterizing. Means it got down in the 20s the other night. This was our work light so we could see what the heck we were doing.
Well, wait a minute, Jason.
Yeah?
It's coming out the heater point.
Oh. Yeah, we don't have. That shut off.
It's just coming out because we don't have that.
I got it all shut off now. I didn't even think about that.
Be careful on that step when you come out. It's wet right underneath there. You don't fall.
We got pink.
Let me try flushing the toilet.
We got pink.
That pink now?
Yep.
Yeah, put it right on there, huh?
Made a mess. Forgot we took the anode out of the water heater. I'm gonna try and get one of them tomorrow. So it was just puking out there. No. Doug's on the hunt for a missing starter. Last time we saw it, it was in the shop on the workbench, and nobody's seen it since, and that was about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago. We would have seen it because we had to pull all that stuff out by hand and put it in these boxes.
Exactly. it don't make sense.
Here's the headlights. See what they look like.
Let's do something that's fun.
And put this in and hopefully it works.
Would you want it? That's twice as bright.
That's gonna be much better.
Oh, yeah.
That's the new one. That's the old one.
Cool. And now is the brights white?
We'll be able to see at night, finally.
That would be good. We never had a truck you can see at night. That'd be good. I'm gonna put the
Oh, there you guys are. Been looking for you.
We don't have a charger.
We've got the sticker peeled off the front. We just fixed the windshield washer situation. Somehow the overflow for the antifreeze reservoir got hooked up to the windshield washer flood. Got that all switched around. So making progress. What is it? Huh? What is it? Sit. 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 So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. Drop us a comment. We have a lead on a trailer and it possibly going next weekend to look at it / pick it up. Stay tuned for more details.